Hello, today I want to show you how to add a button to a video background. We are going to start with the button tag in HTML. So button ID will be equals to my button on click will be equals to my function. So later we're going to add JavaScript that we write pause and close the button tag. So that is how we add a button tag to HTML. Save and refresh. There it is. Now let's style it with CSS. It will be hash. Now please take note, since it's ID, it's going to be hash my button. So hash my button. Then we'll start with the width. Make it to be 200 pixels. Save and refresh. Refresh. There it is. Now let's add font size. We'll make it to be 18 pixels. The padding will be 10 pixels. Save and refresh. There it is, very beautiful. Now let's add border. We'll set it to none. Background will be hash 000, that's black. Save and refresh. Let's make the color to be white so that the post will see it. Okay, save and refresh. There it is. So we can now read the word post. Now custom, the property value will be pointer. That is the hand icon. Save and refresh. There it is. Okay, now let's add hover effect. Hash my button colon hover. So we'll make it that on hover the background will be white. Hash DDD. Save and refresh. Okay, let's style the color. Make it to be black. So while the color is black, the background will be white so that we'll be able to read it. Save and refresh. Let's remove that space between my button and hover. Let's remove it and save it together. Save and refresh it. Okay. Oh, so it was the space. So we didn't have to add space between the button and hover. So let's add transition now. Let's make it to be 3 seconds, ease in, out. Okay, save and refresh that. Okay, it's a bit slow. Let's make it faster. So let's make it 0.5 seconds. Save and refresh. So there it is. That's how we add a button to a video background. We'll start by adding the script tag. So we're using external JavaScript for this. So the file is in the same folder with the HTML and CSS. Okay, so we add source equals text.javascript. Then we close the script tag. So there it is, and I wrote it inside our HTML file. So whatever I write in that JavaScript will reflect on our HTML. So variable video. Now this ID, my video, and my button, they are going to be very useful for us in this JavaScript file. So equals document dot get element by ID. Now since it's ID, we're using DOM, so the bracket inside it will be quotes my video, then semicolon to end it. See it, my video. So we are going to add another one, variable button. So we're declaring document dot get element by ID. Now please take note, since it is ID, that is why we are getting the element by it, and make sure that it is the same way you wrote it, my button, then semicolon to end it. Now we are going to define a function. The name is my function in that HTML file on click. My function, then bracket, you see it. So in the curly braces is where the code to be executed will be written. If video.post, then video.play. It's play, please, play. Okay, then semicolon. Then button.inner HTML will be equals to pause. So if it is play that is written, if we click on it, it will pause. That's what that code is saying. Else video dot pause, then parenthesis, then use semicolon to end it, button dot inner html equals to play. So if it's pause that is written, once we click on it, it will be play. That is what we have written in this code. So from our CSS, our HTML, our JavaScript, let's see what we've done so far. Let's refresh it now. Okay, once we pause it, you see everything pauses. Now you see how it is. When you click on play, it plays. So that's how we've added action to our video background.